How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video, yet again, we'll be looking at electric vehicles. XPEV XPENG Incorporated hit a all-time high today of $74 per share, 74.39. So we'll go ahead and make that the yellow dotted line to represent the high of the day. So next time we look at the chart, we will realize, just like all these other gold lines, 51, 48, and 39, all high of days that are support and resistance, just like this 56 level. I take you back to the, well, it's a fairly new ticker right here in late August, of a low of $17 per share, and now a high of $73. They had their first public earnings report, negative 32 cents. Obviously, nowhere near of being, like, wow, the company has had, profitable. But with that being the first earnings, and really just like where the company is now, I will tell you this: fourth quarter, because these are third quarter, fourth quarter earnings, if it's worse than negative 32 cents, yeah, there's gonna be a dip. If it's better, it's gonna skyrocket even more, and that's just because when the company is headed in the right direction with this much volume on it. Look at this week-long volumes of $348 million, and that was on a $30 to $51 stock. Who has that type of money? There's so many people onto this. What's the word? Okay, guys, I'm a little too excited to talk here, but hedge funds are trading it. Just average people like me and you are trading it. Now, I haven't been trading it recently because it just, I'm not. That granted, I'm gonna buy 5 shares and make $18 a share, but I'd rather test my luck on a DPW like this one that I have 850 pre-market here, and just like NIO's pushing up, and Tesla hit all-time highs again. I just made a video on DPW if you guys want to check that out. Back to XPEV though, I want to take you to the 1 year so we can get today's volume of 100 million shares. Unbelievable price action. For electric vehicles on fire, there's no doubt about it. You can't get around. It's really the only thing popping off right now, besides the fact that, there's a vaccine and the market's up. But if you guys aren't trading electric vehicles, what are you trading? I want to know. Leave it in the comment section down below. Now, if you guys follow my stock twits, I did talk about this one at the $20 level. Again, if I'm not mistaken, 20 or 30. If I find, I'll leave it in the description, but go follow me on Stock Twits. Join the Patreon. Another reason why, because you get movers like this. No news on it today, but it was, just overall bullish with the DPW's news that they're going to work with BLNK. I'll pull that chart up. They're going to work with BLNK to put all, or most, they're going to put electric vehicle charging stations in fast food restaurants across the United States. In a DPW's video, I was talking about how there's 14,000 McDonald's, for example. You put in 5, that's 70,000 electric vehicle charging stations that they potentially put in. Remember, guys, I'm not saying they're going to put in 70,000. I'm just letting you guys, this is simple math, if they put 5 in every McDonald's, for example. BLNK is up $10, 50%. And now, like I said, no specific news on it today, but it was featured in the 62 stock moving. And you guys take a look. Oh my gosh, I was reading this news. A Chinese Tesla competitor, XPENG, is using LiDAR. If I'm not mistaken, that's how you pronounce it. But for a news to say that this is Tesla's Chinese competitor, wow, that just means this ticker is going somewhere. I mean, I don't think even NIO, we'll check that right now. I don't think NIO, they're saying that Tesla Chinese competitor. Okay. I will tell you this, though. This Citron, about how they're bashing Solo and now they're bashing Blink charging, I will never read another news from Citron ever again. I'll tell you this. If people are willing to buy the cars, who cares what other people think? If they have news and they have people that are buying it, that's what's going to happen. You have GM also going into the electric vehicle business with their all-electric Hummer, but here's the catch. That starts at 100,000 and is not really going to be available to go pick up at your local dealership until late 2021. I did read that. Now back to XPEV. All these hedge funds and all these news people, all these analysts can say the stock is garbage, but if people are willing to buy it, who cares about what they think? Look at, I know, Jim Cramer or whatever, but Jim Cramer was bashing Tesla. Now look at it. $526 a share, it hit today. So remember, guys, don't even watch my videos and like, wow, yeah, student trader says buy it, so I'm gonna buy it. Student trader says garbage, so I'm not gonna buy it. Buy it if you guys wanna risk it, potentially going long or going short. Then by all means, go ahead, do your own research. Now, I'm rambling on here, guys, but there's really nothing to break down of XPV. It's a new ticker. The sky's the limit. We did hit the high of 51. We dipped back down, and if we broke that, again, the sky's the limit. And it went up $22 since then. Now, like I said, I was talking to a few commenters that just like this, we had a nice push up, dip back down, nice push up, dip back down, a nice wedge pattern forming. I would like to see a dip, but no more than this, right here from 39 to 30. A nice $9 drop, $10 drop from 50 to 39. Nice $10, $11 drop. And I would like that, see it maybe a couple days, red, 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 and then the 4th or 5th day, Friday, a nice push up to $80. Wouldn't that be a nice way to end the week if you guys are listening here to what I'm saying? So I don't know what the fourth quarter earnings are going to be. Will they be positive? Will they continue to be negative? I will tell you this, if they're anything, negative 20 cents, the company's heading in the right direction, guys. And electric vehicles are just really getting started. Joe Biden is, whatever, president-elect, not, until he gets sworn in. Trump is still president until January no matter what. And until he gets sworn in, there's no, example. So until he gets sworn in, and Joe Biden obviously is leading towards the whole Green New Deal, and obviously that affects the automobile industry and electric vehicles. There are so many companies I actually did not know. I did my research, and there's so many companies that are making electric vehicles. So who's to say that XPEV buys all the companies in China, for example? Probably, I don't know China's rules against that, but what if they do? Monopolies. So this stock could be very well Tesla. News catalyst. I kind of contradicting myself here, but I said don't trust news catalysts, but when they're good news, I trust them. Sounds a bit hypocritical of me, though, I will tell you that. But it high up there at 526. Now, am I saying XPEV is going to get 526? It possibly can. It may. Right now, I do see this being a $100 company at the start of next year, and really, I really couldn't name a price. It could be $250, $1,000 in 5 years. This could be the next Tesla. But remember, guys, plan your trade and trade your own plan. I would like it to stay above $60, though. I would not like to see a huge dip. I would like to see like this, the 3-bar play. Push up, dip, 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 push up. That's what I would like to see. Alright, guys, that was XPEV. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are sticking around to this long 8 minutes and 50 seconds in here. But I appreciate you guys. Remember to like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you have any questions, comments, opinions, drop it down below. Just repeating myself, that's okay. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And good luck on XPEV.